So welcome back. We left off with this bottom number here, bottom fraction, and we talked about how we said we were going to change this because this is where we would call greater than 1, or we would also refer to it as an improper fraction in 6th grade. So we know that it's greater than 1 because if we look back up here on our model, 5 out of 5 over 5 would be equal to 1. So this makes this problem greater than 1. Now, I'm going to erase all of this other so we can kind of have an area to really work this problem out because we're going to need to show how to change this into an take the greater than 1 fraction and switch it into a proper fraction. In order to do so, I need to clear off my board so we have plenty of room. So back to our problem here, which we have located down here. Remember how I said that this is the numerator, this is the denominator, and you should be saying right now what that line means. So we're going to take our 5 as our divisor, and this, again, we would say is our dividend. We put this inside, and the line again meant to divide. So then we can say, okay, I've done this. How many times does 5 go into 6? And you should be saying once. So then we do our subtraction, and we're left with 1. Now, because we're dealing with fractions, we're not going to write a remainder as R1. We're going to write a remainder in a fraction form. And to do so, we have 1 left over, so that becomes our numerator, and then our 5 becomes our denominator. So our divisor is our denominator. So just remember that this is the way that you create what is called a mixed number. Why is it called mixed? Because it has both a whole number and a fraction. So it's mixing two different types together, a whole number and a fraction. And this comes out to a mixed number. So our answer would be 1 1/5. And I'm going to be back with you because we're going to show you how to take this and change it back into this, which is a mixed number back into an improper or greater than 1 fraction.